Welcome. If you've been wanting to record your voice directly in Discord with the new update, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through a simple process to enable voice recording on your PC so you can start creating better clips and saving your favorite moments with sound included. The feature is built right into Discord now, but it doesn't turn on automatically. That means, unless you flip the setting yourself, your voice won't be recorded when clips are captured. Don't worry, the steps are quick and easy, and once it's done, you won't have to touch it again unless you want to turn it off later. First, go ahead and open up the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. At the bottom left corner of your screen, right next to your username, you'll see a small gear icon. That's where all of your settings live. Click on it. Once you're inside the settings menu, look down the left-hand side and find the section labeled Clips. This is the spot where all of Discord's clip-related options are stored, and it's where you'll be able to control whether your voice is included in recordings. Now, here's the key step. Under the Clips section, look for the toggle that says Allow my voice to be recorded in clips. If it's turned off, flip it on. Once you enable that option, Discord will automatically include your microphone whenever a clip is captured. That means from here on out, whenever you or your friends save a moment, your voice will be part of the recording. And that's it. No extra setup required. Just a few quick clicks, and your voice will now be included anytime clips are recorded in your server or during gameplay. It's a small update, but for anyone who likes sharing reactions, strategies, or just funny in-game moments, this change makes a big difference. So, if you want your voice to be part of the story, don't forget to turn on that toggle. Now, you're ready to capture every moment with both visuals and sound.